This is the elevator of the Homewood Inn Suites. This used to be a Thyssenkrupp. Bread. This might be a really cursed mod, but we'll see. Maybe the inside's still original. Oh, new cabs. What the? Oh, what the hell is this? This is a cursed mod. Alright, here we go. That's a new truck. It's a Thyssenkrupp mod. The Thyssenkrupp slap on. That's so weird. Oh wait, always. Didn't always slap on. This is a nice cab. Oh, we're stopping. This is a cursed mod. What the? You guys going to one?
Yeah, thank you.
Again? This is two.
It's two!
It's two. Two. You guys going down?
Thank you.
Go down.
Yeah, down.
Sorry, thank you.
Have to look.
There you go. You're welcome. Dude, that's so weird. It's still running on a Thyssenkrupp controller. It's still got the original indicators too. That's so weird. Oh, it went up. Alright, that's it. That probably is the original motor. Alright, I'm gonna say the other two are modded.